switching between Quicken versions or moving financial data and ended up with a QXF file? This is Intuit's transfer format for migrating financial information between Quicken installations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and import these Quicken transfer files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange QXF formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A user encountering a QXF file is working with Quicken personal finance software. Their primary intent is to transfer financial data, including accounts, transactions, and categories, from one Quicken data file, QDAF, to another. This is often done when upgrading software or consolidating financial records. The QXF format is a proprietary, structured binary file designed by Quicken for data interchange. It packages a complete or partial dataset in a robust, self-contained format to ensure transactional integrity during the transfer process. This design prevents data corruption when moving complex financial information between files. The guiding principle for opening QXF is to use Quicken from Quicken Inc. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. We are performing the initial application diagnostic. Right-click your QXF file and choose Open With. Test with Quicken first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often a simple compatibility swap. If you cannot access the QXF file, no problem. If the QXF file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, importing in Quicken. Open Quicken and use File. Then import, then Quicken. Transfer format, QXF file. Browse to select the QXF file and follow the import wizard to map accounts and merge with existing data. Review the imported transactions for accuracy and verify account balances. Match the source system after import. Next, migrating between platforms. QXF format enables migration between Quicken Windows and Mac versions. Export from the source platform using File, then Export, then Quicken Transfer File. On the destination platform, import the QXF file. Note that some platform-specific features may not transfer, requiring manual recreation after migration. Finally, backing up before import. Always back up your existing Quicken data file before importing QXF data, using File then Backup. The import process modifies your current data file and cannot be easily undone. With a backup, you can restore your original data if the import produces unexpected results or duplicate transactions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.